Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to enter a credit card payment in QuickBooks Online. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. The first step is to access the sales receipt section. So log in into your QuickBooks Online account and navigate to the sales or customers section. Look for the option to access the sales receipt feature and click on it. This is where you can manage your customer sales transactions. So the following step is to create a new sales receipt. So click on the option to create a new sales receipt. Enter the necessary details for the payment transaction. The third step is to select the customer and payment method. So choose the customer associated with the payment from the drop down list. Ensure that the customer's name is accurate and matches the payment source. Select the appropriate payment method such as credit card to reflect the payment made. The fourth step is to enter the payment amount and date. So enter the payment amount in the appropriate field. Specify the date of the payment transaction, which is typically the date on which the payment is received. The last step is to save the sales receipt. So review the entered information to ensure accuracy. Double check the customer's name, payment amount, payment method, transaction date. Make any necessary adjustments or corrections. Once you are satisfied with the sales receipt details, click on the save or save and close button to save the transaction. So this is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.